Intelligence can be defined in so many ways: interpersonal, logical, emotional, existential, linguistic, situational, fundamental, active. Now we'll consider the one that encompasses all: innate intelligence, also known as a creative intelligence, one that can become aware of itself. This innate intelligence exists as the core of life itself, subtly guiding, organizing, maintaining, and harmonizing all the processes of your own existence, as well as the existence of the whole universe. It is the creative and actualizing principle that, once in motion, manifests and maintains everything. The main question does not center solely around knowing about this intelligence. The core question is how to be in touch with it and experience it. Can you imagine a moment in which you can dwell within yourself with the source of intelligence itself? Will you not have found the genie in the bottle ready to realize all your wishes? Not only three. The challenge is that most people cannot fathom the level of connectedness that is accessible. So they take their wishes in their own hands to manifest them, but at what price? The key, the secret code, is knowing. Knowing not only with your mind, but also deeply within your heart by experiencing it, being it. The best way to learn is by observing how nature unfolds in the rhythm of the season without any effort. Tune into it, align with its ease, and go within to dwell with the source, the seed of everything. The more silent your mind, the more present your heart, the greater your creative power becomes. In this instant, intelligence becomes aware of itself to become creative intelligence in actualization. Becoming fully aware, you are co-creator with the source, within which any tiny impulse of desire can be manifested.